DAX looks simple, functions call, but functional mind, it trips us all.